Girl, wala pa yung may nahanap siyang kalaro. See ya, Daddy. Okay. Come on, get inside, Papa. Alis na tayo. So, ang kukunin ko talaga sa town ay yung sliced bread. Punta tayo ng Baker's Delight. Tapos, yeah, kuha na rin tayo ng mga kulang. Yung wala na sa ref. Tsaka apples. Kasi yun lagi ang nauubos. And bananas. So, alis na tayo. You ready? Your seatbelt? Hindi niya pa ubos yung kanyang moo. Okay. Kumuha rin ako ng moo. Ayan. Masarap ang moo na chocolate. Okay, let's go. Dito pala kayo muna sa sa spotlight. Kasi di ba mag-birthday si Holly. What's that? Oh, is that frozen? Okay, get that one. Kasi gusto niya frozen. Frozen daw ang gusto niya. Let me see, what's this one? Let me see. Ah, balloons. So, kinuha niya na yun. So, tingin-tingin lang kami dito. Bago tayo pumunta ng Baker's Delight.
Some party hats.
Gusto niyo?
You need some party hats to say happy birthday.
No, we don't, because you have your, remember, you have your hair. Remember? Kasi meron siyang wig na isusuot. The Minions. Oh, ang dami niya nakikitang frozen dito, oh. Tingin lang tayo. What's this? Oh no, this is not Baba. Diamond turbo. Oops, what's that? That's a cross stitch, Baba.
No, I like these ones.
No.
Can you buy those?
Yes, when you're old enough, you can buy that one. Gusto niya kasing kunin si Frozen, oh. Ano ito? Cross stitch. 110 ang kanyang price. Meron siya nakuha. Ito, oh. Ang dal-dal niya.
Do you know how to make an Elsa cake?
Yeah, I will make you Elsa cake. Dami siyang nakikita dito. Naghanap lang akong pang design sa kanyang cake. Gusto niya frozen cake eh. Ha? Yes. Ayan yung mga numbers.
Oh, I like this one better.
I
like this one.
No, you said you want frozen cake. So we have to look frozen decoration.
Mom.
I know, that's the candle. Ang dal-dal, di
I
ba?
want like an Elsa candle.
Yeah, that's why we're looking. Okay. Dito na tayo sa Baker's Delight. Ana Elsa. Ayan na yung nabili niya dun sa spotlight. Yan lang yung nakuha namin. Hi! Ayan, may free ulit tayo kasi mayroon tayong 5 stamps. So, free to.
So it's $36 in total.
Okay. Give it to mommy, please. Thank you. Ito yung free natin nakuha. Yung siya, garlic cheesy, tapos may herbs. Okay, get inside, Baba. Bumili ako nito.
Please, Mom.
Alright, ito yung hot dogs na may cheese. Ayan. Kumuha ko ng 6, 7, 8. 8 siya lahat. And meron ulit tayong stamps. So, sa next natin na balik dito, meron ulit tayong free, ha? Okay, put your seatbelt. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa Coles. Okay. Wrap. And maliit na cart yung kinuha ko kasi kunin ko lang naman yung mga kulang sa bahay. Come on, Papa. Kuha tayo ng spinach. Kuha tayo ng strawberries. Ayan, kumuha tayo ng 3 strawberries. Okay. Then, kuha din tayo nito. Ito yung bread rolls. And, kuha tayong kalahating cauliflower. Ba't ang liliit? Ang liit niya naman. Ito. Hindi siya maganda. Ito na lang.
Mommy, can we have these as well?
Broccoli? Okay. Kuha tayo ng broccoli. Favorite nila yan eh, broccoli. Nakita niya yung cauliflower. Oh, broccoli ata to. Purple na broccoli. No, we're not gonna get this. Next time. And pili tayo na green apples or Granny Smith. Ito na lang. Okay naman to. Ayan siya. And pink lady. Ito. Okay. Kuha din tayong limes. Ito. Come on, Baba. And lemons. Dito yung lemons. Pili lang tayo. Ito, Baba. Come on. Let's go. Shanta, go. Push. Alright. Kuha tayong chat. Oops, aray ko. Baba, nabundol mo naman si Mami. And original. Bilhin to ni Kuya. Okay, let's go. Dagdagang food to. Lambad ang tugtog nila, oh. Come on, Baba. Eto, miss na ni dyan yung lamington. Pero nasaan yung may strawberry jam? Eto na lang. Okay. Kuha ko si Sak ng olives kasi si Sak gustong gusto to ni Sak. Tapos ako eto yung yung bell pepper na mayroong cream cheese. Okay. Man, wala silang mu. No, mu, Baba. You want the strawberry one? Pero wala nga mu. Hala. Eto na lang. Get maybe 3. Kasi wala sila yung chocolate mo. Careful. Wait, not there, Papa. No. You're gonna squash the bread. Okay. One more. There's no mo, Baba. You're just gonna get... No, that's messy monkeys. Ito na lang. Ang dami ng flavor ng Cadbury. Meron silang tropical pineapple. Hinahanap ko, yes. What? What's that? No. No mint. Gustong-gusto niyang mint. I know. Hinahanap ko yung fruit and nut. Ito may peppermint, oh. Dami na silang iba-iba talagang flavor. Ito merong ganito, oh. Pero ang hinahanap natin ay yung original na paborito ko, fruit and nut. Ito yung gusto ni Holly. Andito pala yung fruit and nut, guys. So, pa tayo ng 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meron pa ako nito pero kuha tayo ng isa kasi paubos na rin. Meron pa siguro ako dalawang ganito. Yes?
Mommy, get milk.
Yeah.
Milk, Mama.
We still have.
Yeah.
Ang bagal ng aking taga-push. Okay, careful. Kuha tayong eggs. Itong cage-free ang kukunin ko kasi wala na yung lagi kong kinukuha. Yung yung free-range eggs na 18 pieces ang laman. So, eto na lang. Check ko lang to kung okay ba sila. So, okay sila. Yep, okay sila. Okay, come on, Baba. Yung coffee na gusto ni Jan, yung matangkad, yung malaki, wala. Ang meron...
Coffee now?
Ha?
Ice coffee now?
No more, Baba. 2 na lang. Akin na yan. Maliliit pa ang natira.
What is my favorite?
No more.
These one.
No, Daddy don't like that one. Okay, let's go. Dalawa lang.
Let's ask Daddy.
Ito yung Yakult. Kuha tayo nitong tatlo. Andun sa dulo. Akyat tayo dito, guys. Para makuha natin to. So, tatlo. Pangatlo. Ayan. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yung kanyang yogurt. Saan yung yogurt mo ba andito? Siya yung nagpipilo. Careful, Baba. Gusto niya raw bananas. Okay. 1, 2, 3 4 5. Kuha ko ng tigli-5 ulit. So, meron ako. Wait, Baba. Wait. That's next. Ayan. 5 strawberries, bananas, 5 din, and blueberries, 5 din ito. Wait lang, Baba. Ito, meron silang fruit salad, oh. May apple, tapos peach and pineapple. So, 5 nito. Baba, we need 1 more. 1 more of this. So, meron tayong blueberries, fruit salad. Not that one, the minion one. Where's the minions? Huh? Not that one, Baba. Here, this one, here. And ano pa nga yung kunin ko? Mango, mango. Do they have mango, Baba? Parang walang mango. Wala ata.
Why is Chip going white?
Because that's banana, Baba.
No, Chip. No, they have to change like color.
Well, it's alright, it's alright. So, wala silang mango. Kulit ako ng banana kasi kinain ni Holly yung isa. Okay? So, wala lang mango. Pero meron naman na ano, fruit salad. And kuha ko nitong dalawa. Ito yung Lure Pack Unsalted Butter. So, dalawa nito. Kawawa naman si Mushi. Kumakain yung amo mo. And kuha tayo ng pang-dip dun sa crackers. Ito yung red capsicum and roasted cashews. Ayan. And cheese. Yung cubes. And eto, masarap tong cheese. Ito yung, mahulog ba yung isa? Ito yung Havarti cheese. Ayan. Masarap siya sa crackers. And i-try ko nga to. Ito yung Tasmanian Heritage Camber. Try natin to. Cheese. And isa nito. Ito yung sweet chili cheese. Gustong gusto to nila kuya. Okay, let's go, Baba. I think I need to get more crackers. Kuha ko nitong dalawa. Dalawa pa nito.
Mommy.
Okay, come on. Oreos? Where's the Oreos?
Orange one.
Not that one. This one. Not that one. A pink one. Alright. Okay, get one. Marami pa yung biscuit doon. Okay, okay. Let's go. Kuha rin pala tayo ng juice. Apple mango. Nasaan yung apple mango? Orange mango pala. Kuha tayo nito. Oops. Hanap lang tayo ng mapaglalagyan nito. Wait lang, Baba. Ayusin ko lang to. Diba? Malit kayo yung SIM card yung kinuha natin. Suka tayo nito, tsaka apple juice. Ito. 5 yung stars niya. Oh. Suka tayo nitong isa. Oh.
Mom,
Yes.
this cake, can we eat it?
Yeah. Later, you can eat in the car. Okay. Okay, well done.
We need to wash our hands.
Yeah, we will. On the way back. Mayroon din sa labas. On the way back. Yeah, on the way out. Okay? So, yan. Bayad na tayo.
Are we finished now?
Yes, we're done for today. Baba, don't touch that, Baba. Ilan ba yung nakuha nating jats? Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ay, isa lang pala yung original na nakuha ko. Okay na yan. 5 lahat. Isa lang pala yung original na nakuha ko. Ha? Okay. Hala, saan nilagay ni Kuya yung Oreo mo, Baba? I'm not sure. Gana pa tayo ng Oreo mo, Baba. Later na lang. In the car. Where did he put it? Maybe here. Wait. No, it's not here.
Check in this bag.
Yeah, later. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'll give it to you. Wait lang. Hanapin ko yung Oreo niya. Kabiling-bilinan niya pa naman yung nahawakan niya at kakainin niya sa car. So, we're done here sa Coles. Uwi na tayo. Hugas kami ng kamay. Okay. Rub. Okay. Oops. Okay. Uwi na tayo, guys. And nahanap ko yung kanyang Oreo. So, i-close na namin yung vlog kasi magluluto lang naman ako. Ang dinner namin ay silverside, yung corned beef, and mashed potato, tapos broccoli. Not broccoli, cauliflower. So, yun na guys yung vlog natin. Thank you! Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog! Okay. Say bye! Anong oras na? Anong siguro? Mag 4 o'clock na siguro.
Mommy, the Oreos.
Yeah, I will open your Oreos. Hindi pa naman. 3:30. Okay. See ya! Say see ya!
See ya!
Put your seatbelt, please. Yeah, put your hands.
And now I have to get that first.
Yeah. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Ayan, kumakain na siya. Say thank you, guys.
Hello.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye, guys.
This is Santa. Stop here. Santa, can you please stop here? We've been really good all year. We've got milk and cookies, your favorite treat. They're sitting ready for you to eat. Guys, did you like the story? Did you, Holly? Yeah! Did you do that? Yeah?